Bitcoin mining is a multi-billion-dollar industry.
Some believe it uses up to 1% of the world's electricity. This has led to many extreme and confusing claims.
So let me explain Bitcoin mining in simple terms.
Bitcoin consists of a blockchain and a digital asset called BTC.
You can think of the blockchain like a digital hard drive.
The key difference is that this data is stored across many computers. Bitcoin blocks are intentionally small, about 1 megabyte each.
The entire blockchain is only a few hundred gigabytes in size. This design makes the network easy for anyone to verify.
Each block mainly contains Bitcoin transaction data.
A new Bitcoin block is created roughly every 10 minutes.
Each block links to the previous one, forming a chain.
This design makes Bitcoin extremely hard to change.
So who validates transactions and gets rewarded? The answer is Bitcoin mining. Mining is a race to guess a very difficult random number. Special computers called ASICs do this work.
They can try trillions of guesses every second.
The more machines you have, the better your chances. Mining farms run nodes, but operate many ASICs. Power and hardware make Bitcoin mining expensive.
This cost prevents attackers from cheating the system.
Cheating miners lose money and gain nothing. Mining exists to keep all Bitcoin transactions valid. Miners earn Bitcoin from block rewards and transaction fees. Users add fees to get their transactions confirmed faster.
When demand is high, higher fees get priority.
So what actually gives Bitcoin its value?
Bitcoin has value because no one controls it. Let us quickly recap how Bitcoin mining works. Bitcoin targets one new block every 10 minutes. Too many new coins would crash Bitcoin's price. That's why Bitcoin adjusts its mining difficulty. More miners make the puzzle harder. Fewer miners make the puzzle easier. Ugh. This keeps block times stable over the long term. Another key feature of Bitcoin is the halving. Every 210,000 blocks, rewards are cut in half.
The goal is to keep block time close to 10 minutes.
Bitcoin also has a built-in feature called the halving.
Every 210,000 blocks, rewards are cut in half.
This has happened several times since Bitcoin launched.
Today, miners earn just over 3 Bitcoin per block.
Around 2028, the reward will drop again.
The very last Bitcoin will be mined around the year 2140. This scarcity is a major reason Bitcoin can gain value. However, Bitcoin prices can still be very volatile. Many people describe Bitcoin as digital gold.
Blocks can store more than just transactions.
Once added, this data can remain forever.
This makes Bitcoin one of the most secure databases ever.
But adding large data requires very high fees. Rising value keeps miners incentivized. Mining is extremely competitive.
Only the most efficient miners stay profitable. This makes mining difficult for small players. That is why mining pools exist.
Pools share rewards based on contribution.
Even large pools are made up of thousands of individual miners.
Miners can switch pools instantly if they disagree. Be careful with cloud mining. Many services are scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency you can mine. During bull markets, many coins tend to rise.
Many people prefer to buy coins rather than mine them.
Now let's talk about Bitcoin mining and energy use.
Estimates of Bitcoin's energy use vary widely.
As Bitcoin's price rises, more miners join.
More miners also means higher difficult and energy use.
Miners are incentivized to find the cheapest power. Often this power would otherwise be wasted.
Sometimes dirty energy is used, which caused controversy. So what will be the cheapest energy in the future?
Many believe renewables and nuclear will dominate.
Major players are already securing their own energy.
Mining machines can shut down when power is needed elsewhere. This can help stabilize energy grids. Bitcoin's energy use is more complex than it seems.
Global energy capacity continues to grow every year.
So what happens when energy becomes extremely abundant?
Mining could become very cheap when energy is abundant. That is often when fear turns into excitement. This pattern has repeated many times in Bitcoin's history.
By now, you understand how Bitcoin mining really works. Really ชอบเขียน
This knowledge gives you an edge over most people.
Let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin mining below. Have you ever tried mining or joining a mining pool? There is much more to explore about Bitcoin's future.
Bitcoin is designed to operate for the long term.
Its security grows stronger as the network grows.
Mining incentives will continue to protect the network.
The final Bitcoin will not be mined for many years.
Bitcoin rewards patience and long-term thinking.
Understanding Bitcoin takes time, but it is worth it. Stay curious and keep learning about this technology. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing.
Check its Ucontronissimos. Check out the next video to keep learning.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.